The night was electric on 6 July 2025. VP Chiwenga's chief campaigner, Blessed Geza, played out video footage denouncing Kuda Tagwirei under the theme Pasine Svigananda, a defiant anthem, but behind the music was a trap. Sanabina mashuka ari kuda panguva eno achiripotwa the ZVAITWA VP Chiwenga was tricked into a fake Cholocho 2.0 coup using Tagwirei agitation trap. Don't subscribe or like it on the bell icon. TV 3 days before, on 3 July, inside the ZANU-PF headquarters, Chiwenga had risen, demanding the ejection of Kuda Tagwirei from the Central Committee meeting. It was bold, it was loud. Unbeknownst to him, the meeting was a decoy. Tagwirei's name was never on the agenda, and the real power, it sat quietly with the 10 provincial chairpersons loyal to Emmerson Mnangagwa. Chiwenga had walked into a fake coup, a Cholocho 2.0, and he sang a sloganeered himself to sleep, believing he was discouraged. Chiwenga had walked into a fake coup, a Cholocho 2.0, and he sang or sloganeered himself to sleep, believing he has discouraged the party from co-opting Tagwirei on the basis of slogan. Was he strategic? And will he get something better than this furious talk, a rejection of Tagwirei by Secretary of Administration Obert Mpofu? Ndo mashuko ari kubuda panguva ino ari kukwanisa ari kuti ataka VP Constantine Chiwenga achinzi aiwa he was tricked into a fake Cholocho 2.0 coup. Apo panguva ino kuchanukwa kunzi pa the meeting yakaitiwa musi wa 3 July 2025 panapa ari kubuda vatira mashuko achiti kuda kwacho Tagwirei akanga asimbori paagenda zvakazoita kuti aiwa azomuejecta from the meeting. Mashoko ari kubuda panguva ino ari kunyatsa kureflecta kuti in the ruling party ZANU-PF panguva ino aiwa ari ngori mapower struggles oga aiwa nekusawirirana nekufungirana. Mboto dzemafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi? Kana comment section medu dzemafunguro enyu, subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.